Hello, in today's video I'll be replacing the key fob battery for a 2016 Cadillac ATS, which also works for other key fobs of the same design. To begin, we want to pull out the physical key, and to do this we want to locate this little button on the side and hold it in as you slide out the key. Now we want to use a flat blade screwdriver and insert it right above the silver piece, and just rotate the screwdriver very slightly and the back cover will pop up. Once the back cover lifted up a little, just pull up on the back cover and it'll just clip off. You will notice that the battery will be clipped into the back cover. Now to remove the battery, you want to use a corner of the same flat blade screwdriver to gently pop up the battery. This is the replacement battery I'll be using, which is the same as the CR2032. This particular battery comes in a child safety case, which you gotta cut the corner of the wrapper to get the battery out. Now that we got the battery out, the smooth flat side is our battery positive, while the side with the ridges is our negative, which at the moment has a sticker on it. Our back cover also has a drawing on it to display how the battery should be installed. So we want to go ahead and install it with the positive side of the battery facing down. And we can now go ahead and reassemble the key fob, sliding this upper part of the back cover into place first and snapping the remainder of the rear cover together. And now the last thing we gotta do is just slide back in the key. If you found this video helpful, please hit that like button. It helps support the channel, and don't forget to press that subscribe button if you haven't done so already.